You can use the inflation kit to repair a damaged tyre, as long as any punctures are not on the sidewall and do not exceed 4 mm. Before carrying out the repair, park your vehicle away from traffic, turn on your hazard warning lights, and remember to apply your parking brake. The inflation kit is located under the driver's seat. To access it, move the seat as far forward as possible and tilt the backrest. Unscrew the screw securing the unit, then rotate it to remove it. Depending on model, screw the bottle to the compressor. Next, connect the inflation bottle connector to the valve on the wheel. Finally, connect the electric power cable to the accessory socket. The tire pressure specifications are on the driver's side door frame. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor to achieve the required pressure. If a minimum pressure of 1.8 bar has not been reached after 15 minutes, the repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. When the repair is done, drive for about 2 miles 3 kilometers at below 35 miles per hour 60 kilometers per hour in order to distribute the product uniformly in the tire, then stop and check the pressure. Please note that tire pressures should only be checked when tires are cold. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than recommended, readjust it with the inflation kit. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar, this means that a repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. NB, this repair is only temporary. It will allow you to drive at a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour 80 kilometers per hour for a distance of no more than 120 miles 200 kilometers. It is essential to have your tire repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible.